Hello students, myself Pushpendra Kumar from Sri Digambar Institute of Technology Dausa in Civil Department. Students, in last lecture we discussed about the topic biological control of air pollution, in which we discuss air pollution, sources of air pollution, the problem, control of air pollution and history of air pollution. These contents discussed in this part of lecture, and last 4 content: biological waste gas purification system, factors affecting system, recent work and microbial deodorization discussed today वीडियो लेक्चर. स्टूडेंट्स, बात करते हैं एयर पोल्यूशन की. स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ से. एयर पोल्यूशन. एयर सप्लाइज अस विथ ऑक्सीजन दैट इज एसेंशियल फॉर आवर बॉडीज टू लाइव. सोर्सेज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन, द प्रॉब्लम्स, control of this problem, history, biological waste gas purification system, bioscrubber, design of bioscrubber, operation of bioscrubbers, diagram, use of bioscrubbers, advantage of bioscrubbers, disadvantage of bioscrubbers. Students, today we will be discuss on the topic biological air pollution control technologies part 2. Let's start biofilters or biobeds. Design of biofilters. Biofiltration uses microorganism fixed to a porous medium to break down pollutants present in an air stream. कि एयर स्ट्रीम में जो पोल्यूटेंट प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनको ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए एक मीडियम फिक्स किया जाता है. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को फिक्स करने के लिए एक मीडियम होता है, ठीक है ना. और जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, जो पोल्यूटेंट है, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, इनको ब्रेक डाउन करके फिक्स किया जाता है किसमें? बायोफिल्ट्रेशन में. द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म ग्रो इन ए बायोफिल्म ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ ए मीडियम और are suspended in the water phase surrounding the medium particle. The filter bed medium consists of relatively inert substances, compost, peat, etc., which ensure large surface attachment areas and additional nutrient supply. Diagram. H2O and CO2 volatile organic compounds, ठीक है. और ये सेकेंड डायग्राम CO2 H2O volatile organic compounds. Students, let's operation. Contaminant air is humidified and passed through a packed bed and pollutant transfer into a thin biofilm and degrade the pollutant. They are systems that use a combination of processes: absorption, adsorption, degradation and desorption of gas phase contaminants. Conditions: microorganisms used are mesophilic temperature 15 to 40 degree centigrade, moisture 40 to 60% and gas content time 10 to 30 seconds. Used in treating malodorous compounds and water soluble volatile organic compounds. Industries employing this technology include food and animal products, pharmaceuticals, wood products, paints and coating application, resin manufacturing. Compounds treated are typically mixed volatile organic compounds and sulfur compounds including hydrogen sulfide. एडवांटेज की बात करें तो सिंपल डिजाइन टू कंस्ट्रक्ट and operate and offer a cost effective solution provided the pollutant is biodegradable within a moderate time frame. There is no डिसएडवांटेज की बात करें तो हाई लोडिंग एंड डिग्रेडेशन रेट, ह्यूमिडिफिकेशन इज प्रॉब्लमेटिक, क्लोरीनेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स कैन नॉट बी रिमूव्ड बाय बायोफिल्टर्स एंड डिक्लोरिनेशन cause acidification of packing material. It is most accepted technique among 3 technique. Accepted developments की यहाँ पे बात करें तो यूज ऑफ सेप्टिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, रिडक्शन इन कॉस्ट, प्रोसेस कंट्रोल, pH, मॉइस्चर, रेट लिमिटिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स, मोर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, यूज फॉर एयर फ्लो ओवर 1 लाख मीटर क्यूब पर ओवर. Students, next biotrickling filter design represent an intermediate technology between biofilters and bioscrubbers. Once again, an engineered vessel holds a quantity of filter medium, but in this case it is an inert material, often clinker or sludge, being highly resistant to compaction. This also provide a large number of void spaces between particles and a high surface area relative to the overall volume of the filter. Diagram of biotrickling filter. स्टूडेंट्स ये सपोर्ट है, ये यहाँ पे आपको ये डायग्राम से दिख रहा है, ठीक है. ये बायोफिल्म है, यहाँ पे ये ट्रिकलिंग लिक्विड है और ये क्या है, सपोर्ट्स हैं. पोल्यूटेड एयर प्लस ऑक्सीजन है और यहाँ से हमको क्या प्राप्त हो रही है, क्लीन एयर प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट, ऑपरेशन. माइक्रोब्स फॉर्म एन अटैच्ड ग्रोथ बायोफिल्म ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द मीडियम. ऑर्डर्स एयर इज अगेन फोर्स्ड थ्रू द फिल्टर while water simultaneously recirculate through it, trickling down from the top. Counter current flow is established between the rising gas and the falling water, which improves the efficiency of dissolution. Biofilm communities feed on substances in the solution, passing over them, biodegrading the constituents of the smell. Diagram. They have limited application. Degradation of halogenated hydrocarbon NH3, H2S, H2S, etc. Encounter situation of acid production, they will have to be neutralized, otherwise it has an inhibitory effect on the microbiological process. Example, CH2Cl2 plus 2HCl is equal to CO2 plus 2HCl. Hypomicrobium. Trickling filters can be used to solve the problem of acid being inhibitory. Factor affecting biological treatment. It depends on physical phenomena and microbiological phenomena. Physical phenomena include mass transfer between gas and liquid phase, mass transfer to microorganism, average residence time of mobile phase. Microbiological phenomena include rate of degradation, substrate product inhibition, dioxy, aerobic degradation by pure cultures, hypomicrobium, methyl chloride, Pseudomonas dichloromethane, alkyligenous A17514 dichlorobenzene, Bacillus thripi thiophenol, Pseudomonas butylaldehyde. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, एरोबिक डिग्रेडेशन बाय प्योर कल्चर. नेक्स्ट बात करें रिसेंट वर्क, फिलहाल क्या क्या किया गया है इसको लेके। द एनवायरमेंट हैज़ डेवलप्ड ए बायोकैटालाइटिक रूट फॉर डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ ट्राइक्लोरोएथिलीन TCE. A pure culture of Pseudomonas is used. Bacteria are kept alive on toluene and phenol. First field trial was carried out in New York, and 90% of TCE is contaminated air from air stripper treating groundwater was successfully degraded. The company also has a process where genetically engineered E. coli can be fed on glucose and is not a competitive substrate as phenol and toluene for Pseudomonas. BioCube, the Easy and G. Rotron New York and US Department of Energy Rio National Engineering Lab have developed a process of aerobic biofiltration BioCube. It employs naturally occurring microorganisms, mostly actinomycetes and Pseudomonas, to remove more than 90% of aliphatic and aromatic substances and their derivatives from gas streams. BioCube filter beds are modular trays filled with soil, compost mixture containing microorganisms. Beds are kept moist and at proper temperature so that biofilm develops on the surface. Citrine is a hazardous air pollutant. Environment is scaling up their biofiltration system. Here, naturally occurring microorganisms are immobilized on a porous filter substrate such as compost or peat. Concentrated vapor system passed through the filter bed. Pollutants from vapor phase are transferred to the biofilm and are oxidized to CO2 and water. The Dova Mining Company, Japan, uses Thiobacillus ferrooxidans oxidize Fe2 plus 2 Fe plus 3 for energy and gives solid sulfur from H2S. It is used as exhaust system for H2S. It has potential application in petroleum and chemical based industries and work now 1/3 of the cost. Students, thanks for watching.